Hey guys, what's up? And welcome to the vlog. Well, today I got a different type of vlog for you guys. Different scene. I'm actually in a park in my town, and this is the scenery. That's the pond right there. That right over there is the waterfall. Yeah, I figured I'd do something different for today's vlog, guys. Gonna have to hold off on that challenge thing for tomorrow, fortunately. But this is definitely nature at its finest, guys. I mean, look at that. Oh, shit. Birds are chirping. It's a little late at night, but not too late. But hope you guys can see me okay. Yeah, it looks good. Oh. But I promised you guys click that like button. You want more nature vlogs? Well, here you go. This is a local park in my town, so it's very beautiful. And if you guys live in my neck of the woods, definitely come check this out. It's definitely worth hiking. It's definitely worth going in. So, if you're in my neck of the woods, definitely come check this place out. It's very peaceful. It's very awesome. I mean, look at this. Nothing but silence. So, I hope you guys are enjoying your Saturday. As you can tell, well, I'm at the park right now, so vlogging for you guys. You guys hit that like button, and I'm gonna do as I promised. So, I'm gonna let you guys head over to the waterfall and show you guys what that looks like. So, just give me a quick second, guys. I'm almost near the thing here. Yeah, get out of here. The only thing about national parks, guys, are the mosquitoes. But, hope you guys are enjoying your day. Hope you have an amazing day. Nevertheless, mosquitoes are killing me. Anyhow, I'm going to show you where that waterfall is. It's actually pretty cool. I mean, you can pretty much have cookouts here, you know, have like events and stuff. It's wicked cool. I mean, look at that. You got a grill, got a fire pit there. Yeah, they do a lot of that stuff. It's just a place that you come to relax, and yeah. And it looks like that bench is going. Whoa. So here it is, guys. Isn't it awesome? There's actually a trail over there, I believe. But look at that, guys, taking in. God damn it. Frickin' fell like 4 times. You guys are getting this. Nature at its finest, guys. Definitely. Can't beat anything like this. Oh. Feels good, guys, to get out of the house for once. So click the like button if you guys want me to do more vlogs. Like I said, there's actually a trail over there, so maybe sometime we could go check that out. Mosquitoes are here are wicked bad though. That's the only downfall. But that's it, guys. That's the waterfall. Don't fall into it. Well, it's a beautiful, perfect way to end a perfect day. Can't complain about that. when I get these people. Yeah! Darn it. Yeah, mosquitoes are wicked out here during the night. But, man, I mean, you can't do nothing but enjoy this, you know? We're just walking around, you know, we're not, you know, causing any trouble, so just, you know, enjoying what nature has to offer. Sorry if you guys can't really see me that good. It's just what it is. It's getting a little dark out here, so. Yeah, crap. What the hell was that? Hey, look, guys, it's Sleepy Hollow. Woo. Actually, story time. Right up the street from here, there's actually a house that was haunted. True story. They had to tear it down because it's so haunted. So they tore it down, I think, back 6 years ago. Because they had paranormal investigators going there and everything else. They got a lot of activity. So the town just took it down. But it's definitely beautiful. You can't compete with this, guys. Excuse me. Oh, man. What a perfect way to end an awesome day. It's definitely awesome. So if you guys live in my neck of the woods, definitely come check this out. I mean, I've hiked here over the years, and it's quite fun to do. Fortunately, if I didn't have arthritis, we do a lot more, but fortunately. But one last scenery. One last scenery for you guys before I close the vlog off. Man, now this is, I would not mind camping here, guys. like no joke. So I do apologize for doing a late video, but I know my vlogging schedule is not exactly, it's all over the place, but I figured I'd share this with you guys today. Give you a look at what's around you. And I gotta tell you, it's pretty awesome. I mean, look at this, guys. Isn't that awesome? Birds are chirping. It's an end to an awesome, perfect day. Look at that. You don't hear anything out here, like, legit. Anyway, my guys, this is the local park. If you guys definitely live in my neck of the woods, I definitely encourage you to come check it out. And if you know what this park this is, you know what I'm talking about. But if you guys made it to the end, I can't talk today. If you guys made it to the end of today's vlog, I truly appreciate it, and I love you guys so much for that. Remember, where's Mr. Hold on. Let's start that again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's nature vlog. So click the like button if you want me to do more of these for you guys. I'm only getting started. This is just number one on my list. So there's plenty of other places I could check out. So let me know in the comments section if you guys want me to continue doing this. Thank you guys so much for watching, and all the links to my social media will be in the description below today's vlog, so I definitely encourage you to follow me on there. Love you guys to death, and remember what Mr. Rocker say, you guys are unique, you're beautiful, you're awesome, and don't let anybody tell you different. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Look, nature.